So if you are a beginner watching this video will teach you how you can place your first trade. In my previous video, I made video on risk management, lot size, and pips. So if you haven't watched that, you can go back and watch it so that you can know how I'm making the video, because it's in series. So this video will teach you how you can place your first trade on MT5 using a demo account. And if you have a live account to risk, that's also fine. But I'll be using demo to teach you here what I have to teach you. So I'll teach you how to create demo here right now, mostly if you are using PC, because it seems complicated and confusing sometimes if you are using PC rather than phone, right? So I'll teach you how to create the demo, the few keys and buttons you should know on MT5 before depositing your live capital trading it. So this is what this video is meant to do for you. So let's go right into the video. So right now, as you can see my screen, and we are going to create account right now. Go on file. Once you go on file, you go on open an account. So this open an account, you can see Xnest, because those are the broker I frequently use. So if you see Xnest here, all you're gonna do is this meta quotes. We are gonna use meta quotes. That's the MT5 quotes. So you are opening a demo account, and if you have a live account you want to connect, this is the live account. This is where you can connect. You just click on it and this login code will come in. You log in. So now we want to create a demo account. So the demo account we want to create, this is how we'll do it. Once you click on it, you can see once you click out of it, you can see the box will be unchecked. So check the box, which is open a demo. You go on next. Once you go on next, these are my details. So you have to input your details: your first name, second name, date of birth, email, your mobile number, and your amount. So the amount of money, you can put the deposit amount. So I don't want it to be too crazy, so I'm going on 100 USD. So 100 USD with this leverage. Then you click on I agree with these terms and condition. Click on next. So the account is open now. What you're going to do is, we see this login code. So these are your login codes. So I'm going to screenshot my own. You have to take note of this login code. So you're going to log in here. This is your login, 11. This is my own, and this is my password. So you have to take yours also as well. So this is the demo account, so you can log in. So click on finish. Once you click on finish, this is what's going to happen. It's going to bring you to this page. It's going to bring you to this page. Once you hear this voice or this sound, it means your account is created successfully, and you can see the date which you have created your account. You have registered a new account. So what next will you do? This is how my chart looks, and you can see how it looks. This way I can't trade. So I'm going to teach you. I'm going to bring the chart also, because I taught you in the previous video how you can set up the MT5 itself. If you haven't watched the video, go watch it, how you can set up the MT5, before I come now to how you can place a trade on MT5. So like we said, market watch is where we're gonna see everything, our chart and everything. So we're gonna bring our market watch. So if we bring the market watch, now we're gonna find a pair to place our first ever trade on. You have to drag it. You have to drag it a bit from the screen. So this is my market watch right now. So what we are going to trade, I told you that you can drag and drop, of which if you are doing it, it will not happen. So one thing you should take note of again is, when you are on MT5, you have to have a strong network, right? If not, it's going to piss you off, right? So once you want to drag from here to here, it will not work, and I'm going to tell you the reason. So if you can see down below here, which you can see, we have trading details. We have the, let me open it more so you see what I'm doing here. So you can see there is tick here. This one is showing you the price movement. There is trading here. This one is showing you your pairs which is currently on, and this one is showing you the details of the price, the bid, the high price, the symbol. This is where you can add symbol. So let's say you want to add GBP JPY. You enter, you add GBP JPY because it's here. So for the sake of this video, you are using Euro USD because it's the most traded pair. So you hold it, you drag it, and you drop it here. So you can see here right now, Euro USD is on our board. So right now, I showed you in my previous video how you can set up this, so you know how to go about it. So if you haven't watched the video, I advise you go watch so you can know how to set up this. So we're gonna place our first ever trade. We're gonna place our first ever trade right now. So there is two ways you can place. So this here you can see, this new order. So this new order, you can click it. Either you can trade this way, volume. So this volume is your lot size, and in my next video I'll show you how you can use your lot size appropriately. So you can see it here. So let's use 0.07, and if you want to sell, you sell. If you want to buy, you buy here. So your stop loss is here, your take profit is here. So this market execution means you are buying at the current market price. The limit orders is not at the market price, so you are either waiting to sell at the top, so you sell, so you set sell limit, or you are waiting to buy at the bottom, you set buy limit. So these are what the limit are. So but now we are using market execution. So let me show you the second way to execute a trade here. So go back to where I showed you on trading. So you can see they are the same thing here. So trading, you can see your lot size is here, the spread is here, and buy sell button is here. So let's say we want to sell, we want to buy this particular pair, which is Euro USD. Let's say we want to buy now. What we're gonna do is we'll click on buy, and to bring you back here, the first place which you've gone. So your pair, you check if your stop loss is correct, your take profit, and your lot size. So this lot size, you have to be very mindful of it. That's why I'm going to make a separate video, and I'm going to explain it more deeper. So you want to sell, we'll sell. So right now we sold, you can see. So I'm going to show you the balance now. This is the balance. It's either it's adding or is this. The balance will not add and it will not decrease. What to add and decrease is equity. So what is equity? So this is the equity. So equity is your balance, negative or positive, they trade you on. They are going to be added or deducted from your equity. It's not going to be deducted from your balance. When you close the trade before, it's going to be deducted from your balance. So you have margin also. This is your margin. Your margin is the amount of money in this particular trade right now. So your free margin is here. The money which is not in this trade, which is still in your account. So you have your margin level. The higher your margin level, the safer your account for you. So you can see this is the stop loss. If you can double click if you want to set it, and you can double click if you want to set take profit as well. You can double click it, it will take you back there, then you modify, you set it, then you modify. But right now we're not setting it. So if you want to close the trade, you can see here, you close a trade here, then don't buy, don't sell, close trade. So okay, we're done. So we up 9 cents. So you can see our balance now have increased. The equity and the free margin now remain steady. So this is how you can open a trade, and congratulations, you have opened your first ever trade on MT5. So in my next video, I'll show you how you can use lot size, how you can calculate your lot size appropriately, because this is where you can blow your account very fast, and this is where most beginner traders make mistakes. So I'll make a video on how you can use your lot size appropriately. So I'll see you in my next video, and this is all for this video.